It looks like patio season will be kicking off just a little bit earlier this year. Earlier today, the province announced that restaurants and bars will be allowed to open up their patios starting tonight at midnight. And what's more people will soon be able to roll up their sleeves to get a vaccine.
Monday, March the 22nd, we will accept appointments for residents 75 years of age and older. This is an incredible achievement. It shows what we can do when we unleash the full power of Team Ontario.
As of March 19th, more than 50% of Ontario adults aged 80 and over have been at least partially vaccinated. And about 91,000 people aged 60 to 64 have received a shot at a pharmacy. Now, that's something that's only currently available in Toronto, Kingston, and Windsor, but that's changing too.
In the next 2 weeks, we will more than double from that 327 to over 700 pharmacies right across the province.
According to the Ministry of Health, Ontario administered a record 61,146 vaccines yesterday. Nearly 300,000 people have received both doses of vaccines. Ford said that number would be higher if not for the vaccine supply schedule set by the federal government.
We are at a fraction of the capacity. Once we unleash the full capacity, you know, as the general was briefing me the other day, if we opened up everything full tilt, we could do as high as 9 million a month.
And there's unprecedented urgency to get those inoculations done. About 40% of all COVID cases in Ontario now stem from variants of concern, which are more easily transmissible.
We're doing things that Dr. Williams and the team believes and makes recommendations to us that are in the best interests of Ontarians. But what we're really doing is it's almost a race against time for us to be able to get as many needles into people's arms as possible to protect people and keep them safe as the variants of concern continue to grow in Ontario, unfortunately.
Now, outdoor dining is going to be limited to people that are from the same household. And for areas that are already in red zones, indoor capacity will be increased to 50% or up to 50 patrons. In Mississauga, Cristina Howorun, City News.